Good morning channel, how are you guys? This morning we're going to do something a little fun. It's going to be chillaxed, it's going to be cool. I'm not going to spoil it for you, so give it probably like 2 minutes and we'll find out. And we'll go from there. We are back with Himi and his Dodge Rapper. Good morning. Thank you. I'm good. Yourself?
Alright.
Oh, now I'm going to try not to headbutt the wall this time. Oh, I didn't headbutt it this time.
What are our chances of getting a pie in a reasonable amount of time?
Probably pretty reasonable.
Okay, let's do it. I'm the start.
I didn't get an outside view, but this is our pie shop.
So I was hungry.
But yeah, we're gonna get breakfast, so it's worth the lineup though. These guys are like kind of like a tourist destination around here. They do really good pies.
It's not a bad song. Yeah. Thank you. That's it today. Thank you very much. You too. See you guys.
Bonnets on these things in the daytime. You guys might have seen this when we done the brief nighttime. This is the same car, same owner. So you have met Himi before. He does all the GDRs. So we're heading out to Toowoomba's car meet today. It's called Country Fest. Quite high above sea level. It's on a range, like a plateau, so it's a good drive. And we get to go through a bit of a scenic tour on the way in the coolest car.
Nice and comfy. The aircon doesn't work yet. I'll fix that.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get it. We can see this. Look at the dashes in these. They're very industrial. Center consoles. Beautiful cars though.
I love that wing on the back of E36s. It looks so good.
Agreed. I think it looks sick. A dyno going on out the back here, so these guys are all lining up to go into a dyno. You can pay I think $100 to go out and do a run. There's about an hour wait at the moment, and we have a VIP section in here. We've got vendors all around the outskirts. There's music, there's food. cool cars here. I haven't been speaking at all. I've just been checking out all the eye candy. So we just ran into Built by Kyle as well, who has brought out his MX-5. Oh, there's a lot of money in this little shed at the moment. Look at this. Oh, no way. That's great. What? What? Left-hand drive. Woo. Inside. This is all the VIP cars. There are still a lot of cars outside. So, let's go do that. We've checked out some of these guys. We have only a limited amount of time to fit into one vlog before you guys will be like, no, I don't watch a 40-minute video. So let's try and keep this around the 25-30 mark. Let's go check out the cars outside. So this diner is actually run by a friend of mine. See this guy right here? This is Kyle. Kyle owns Phantom Auto Works over at Redcliffe. Look at this! How cool is that? Beautiful. Lancers, Stagia. So this is, because it's a rural country fest kind of meet, there are quite a lot of old school cars out, which is pretty sick to see. Also a lot of American stuff too. There's probably a higher volume of American cars out at T-Bar than there is kind of in the more suburban areas, I suppose you'd call them. Oh, I just found something you guys are gonna like. How do we get over there? This way. I think I just found one of my favorites at this meet. Let's check it out. I love his wheel choice. They're so clean. Oh no! He needs TRXX side skirts. He's got no side skirts. Got the double wing. Clear tails. Race seat, Brad. He's got a dash mat? You can get dash mats for mirrors? Oh my god, I want a dash mat. Alright guys, we have to find out where to get a dash mat from. God, I love mirrors. Alright, let's keep going. See if we can find some more K cars. Very good variety of cars out today. VSKS on a Subi. Interesting. I am not even sure what this thing is, but it looks cool. Oh, we got vents on vents on vents. Yeah. Some nice 15s and RX-7s. Let's go on the other side. Oh, so, drift event. I think it's just gone. Patrick actually railed his one of these. It was nice, clean, very pretty, 1J powered. Oh, this is not 1J powered. This is, okay, look, this wasn't Patrick's, but what I was getting at was Patrick railed his quarters in on his. So I feel bad for him because the car was beautiful. And now it's a bit more track oriented. Okay, huge lift kit. I don't think he's ever used his tray for anything. Check him out.
I want an FDRX. Isn't everyone?
Hey, there's some cool tails. Check this out. I actually really dig those. I have no clue how he's done that. I've heard you can get a certain chemical that pulls the dye out of the plastics in some of our old Nissans, but I wouldn't be game to try it. What else we got? Old school. It's beautiful. I love the chin lips on the old Crissies. Really nice colour. Hell yes. That will be a lot of fun. There's a a toad, a Mario Party mushroom in the back. Old school Microtech carbon center. Some nice gauges. This poor guy gets tagged in so many things online because of the plates. Russ, I heard you are still going to sell me plates one day.
One day, if I ever sell them,
Oh yeah.
I'll hit you up first.
Yeah. I'm glad to see it on this. I get tagged in it so often. People are like,
Oh really?
oh, someone's got your plates. I'm like, no, he's got different. He's got the real ones.
180 these days.
Okay, so I'm doing a bit of a mix on it. So I got to hear the brab brabs. This is rather tastefully modified. Some cannons. Some vents, some rear window vents. Roof wing. Vertini wheels. I've never even heard of Vertini wheels. Ooh, bolt-on flares. What is it? Kudos to the effort with the honeycomb. I'll pay that. Looks like someone sat there and had to draw it all on. Or paint it on a stick. I don't know, stickers maybe? I really like this colour. This is a nice colour. So we're still using the new camera. I don't think the audio is the best compared to the G7X. I think the audio sounds a little different, so I'm going to try and get a mic and a mount for this and see if I can improve the audio for you guys and the wind noise. I said this the other day at the Wednesday night meet. I would happily daily one of these if I was a normie. And the guys were like, what do you mean you can drift those? I'm like, well, look, they could probably drift, but I cannot afford to replace that front bar. That would just be a nightmare. Let's go over this side. So we've done quite a bit of a walk around. We have one more section over here to go, and then we'll head back inside and have a chat with Kyle. Hang out with some of the guys. Look at this! What was that? Oh, I'm really worried about this wind noise. I love this colour though. This colour on this car with those wheels is great. Nope, can't see inside. I tried. What's this hiding in the corner? I like it. Digging this Z, hey. Look at the exhaust. And the rear garnish delete. The tails. The auto shutter Medenas. Oh, we have purple interior, holy crap. Oh. Prismas. Dragon steering wheel. That is a cool steering wheel. Looks like they're currently putting a different kit on it. This 370 here, it's beautiful as well. Very pretty. I like Reese Bree's number plate. That's great. So I was looking at this earlier. Yes, I did see under the bonnet, it was crazy. But look at the tires on the back of this thing.
361 feet. Not bad for a built-in car.
That is chunk. Some race seats. Still got rear seats. Yo Kyle, welcome back. Did you have fun driving the MX here today?
It was pretty boring.
Pretty boring.
No, it was good. I just low back.
Pain in the butt getting in and out of.
Not the nicest car for a 2-hour drive. No AC, no fan.
This Red 34 is Himi's friends. Himi was just sneaking in the engine bay, pulling off vacuum lines, and then rang his friend to say, oh hey, someone's toyed with your car. But his friend was watching from the wall over there and went in and pulled the battery terminals off Himi's head. Oh my god, Viper.
He was going to pull off one of my vacuum lines and I said I already pulled off one of your.
I told him, I said, send the video.
And it's huge. It's so long. Vipers are so nice. This is a invitational. Himi was saying it's some fairly rare spec Viper.
But I love the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the fresh. Forcing the fame in my favor. Kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle. I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world, I mixed the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision.
Alright, we are going to pack it up for the day and start heading home. We've been here for a few hours. Had quite a lot of fun, so got to see a whole bunch of cool guys, cool cars, meet some people, meet some new people, meet some old friends, hang out, catch up, talk cars, lots of cars, so lots of fun. I really like that Civic. That is a beautiful little Civic. Alright, I'm out of here. Just got back from the Bad Ideas car meet, chilling out in the shade with the mirror. It is a nice hot day today, but it's tiring, so I'm chilling with my mirror. Oh, can't lean on my wheel though, because I got a white shirt on. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, that's way better. Ooh, how cool are these? They're little star indicators I got in Japan off, they originally were on Decotoras. So a Decotora is a decorative truck. Toraku. Decotora. Yeah. They're cool. I like them. Those stars, you can get hearts. And you can get, there's one other, stars, hearts, something else, I don't know. And my Fiocos, cool little wheels. Do you know, these wheels cost more than this car when I bought both of them, obviously. My wheels, they cost me $400. This entire mirror cost me $350 when I first bought it. It was an EF-EL manual, which is why I've got a couple little hail dents in the sides of it that I didn't fix up when I resprayed the car, because I totally couldn't see them when the car was white, and I just didn't care. It was a cheap respray, nice and easy, just to make it look cool. So yeah, I've done that. Let's wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and enjoyed Himi's Dodge Viper and having a look around the Bad Ideas meet and all the really, really sick cars that were there today. Enjoy your weekends, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!